Hi everyone, it's Alatisha Kane, and I'm going to show you how to create Bitmoji color sheets today. This is my home screen. I am an iPhone user. In order to get the Colorscape app, I had to download it from the App Store. But if you are an Android user, you will have to download the app from Google Play Store. I would like to walk you through the App Store so you can see what it looks like. Click on the icon. At the top, there's a search bar, and you can type in Colorscape and then search. On my phone, Colorscape is the second choice. I have an option to open the app. However, if you're a first-time user, your option will be Get or Install. Be sure to follow all of the prompts so that you can download the app. Colorscape is for free. However, if you want to upgrade to more features, I think the price is $5.99. Let's go have some fun. Before going into Colorscape, I'm going to go into my Bitmoji app to search for stickers to convert into a color sheet. I can either search for a sticker by going to the top and typing in a pose that I want, or I could select a sticker from the bottom and make a selection from there. I am going to choose this top one that says, "How are you?" I'm going to hold it down. When I release, I get a pop-up box that gives me the option to save the image. Now it's time to go into Colorscape. Let's open it up. Click the plus sign to get started. And I want to choose my photo album and my recent photos. As you see, I have tons of Bitmojis because it's quite an addiction. I'm going to select "How are you?" I am using the free version, so I have to accept the image as it is. But if I want to upgrade and add more details, you could click on Change Line Settings and then play around to adjust to how you like it. And when you click Done, you should be able to make those changes. But again, the price to have more details would be to pay for the subscription for $5.99. So right now I'm going to click on Cancel and accept the image as it is. Click Done, and it has been saved into my camera roll. Now it's time to print. And now I will select the upload box. I can now save my image, or I can send it directly to my printer. I'm going to go ahead and print it out so you can see the final results. Here are the printed copies of my Colorscape sheets. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to Bitmoji Craze for Educators for more videos to come. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you the next time with more videos. Have a good day.